Okay. There's one reason why I did all those Americans. Well, other than if I send them out, then I got them on video of being picked. But another reason is uh, a few of those were lockout or tag out locks. Uh, I believe American 1105, 1106. I don't know if there's any more, but the 1100 series are used for lockout tag out locks also. Well, I got this one, which is the 6835 Master. It's a lockout lock. I've not ever seen one aluminum rekeyable. I've seen the plastic ones, and I picked the plastic ones, not on video, but I got this one, so I'm kind of curious if there's any difference in picking this and the 1100 or the 1105 and 1106 American. So the lock works. It's a brand new lock. I've never picked it, never opened it, nothing. Just got it the other day. There's the bidding. Matter of fact, I didn't even take it out of the box until just now. So let's see. I only paid, I think, $5 for it. So okay. I'm gonna do just like if it was American. Slight tension. I used that pick to pick those Americans, and it don't seem to. There we go. Alright, there's a slight turn. Alright, there's a false set. Let's see. Let me see if I can get in there with this one again. Alright, got counter rotation on one. Okay, so, well, that wasn't too bad. What, 4 minutes? Did seem a little easier than the Americans. Alright, we gotta get it. Got to get it. I should have looked. I think it's a Phillips. Yeah. I've got one over here. The 911 takes a different Allen screw. I gotta find one. key, so lock it up. I had one of the plastic ones and it broke when I first started picking. The pins were rattling inside of it. I don't know if I don't know what I really done to it, but I had just started. Yeah. I know the American clips are a lot easier than this one. But they seem a lot easier. There, finally. Whew. Wished I could have picked the lock I wanted. Well, that's different. Usually I have to turn it to get this to face up, but it's already at the top. No surprise that number 6 is empty. Keep in work. Scoot this up. And that's why I opened this one in about 4 or 5 minutes, because all the key pins are standards. Spool, which I knew that, and I believe 2, yep. I knew 1 and 2 was a spool. 3's a spool. Spool. And standard. Now the funny thing about this also is American springs and the 1100s, I've noticed, are really weak. Sometimes they don't pop out. Now these grabber pins were popping up, so it's kind of odd too, I guess. Well, there it is, guys. The Master 6835 aluminum lockout. Key pins are all standard. 1, 2, 3, 4 spool, 5 standard. So alright, have a good one, be safe, be good, be legal. Please subscribe, thanks for watching, and as always, have a good one. Thanks.